What was quite significant for me to make the decision to sign up with IBR was that I knew Prof. Watkins from my previous studies, but also the ongoing engagement. I had a lot of contact with you, and then Prof. Watkins was continuously driving progress. So I actually had more contact with you and him during this PhD, I would say, course than I've had previously when actually attending lectures on class and then also online discussions. So I think this was a more intense but also a very personalized process compared to physically attending a university. At university level, you'll see the lecturer standing in the front. You would not have much interaction with them. It's usually a group setting, and they would also not continuously respond to inquiries. Where here it was hands-on continuously, and I think that was quite significant for me. He's definitely a taskmaster. He likes being engaged, and he wants to make sure that you are on track continuously. So it's open engagement with him. He interacts with you throughout the week. If you are getting stuck at any point with any questions or concerns or verifications, he would contact you via WhatsApp. He'll send you emails, or we'll do a quick phone call. And that was outside of our set timing, which is a weekly basis. We met on Fridays, usually for half an hour to an hour, and there was no limitations to his contact. So if you needed assistance, if it was 11 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock in the morning, he would respond literally within a few minutes after sending correspondence. And that was truly very valuable. So I enjoyed working with him tremendously.